Welcome back to Coyote Classics. Today we are checking out a great looking Citron yellow 1971 Dodge Challenger RT. We don't get a chance to have too many 71 RT Challengers.
We don't, especially with a 446 pack under the hood.
Yeah, just got a fantastic look. The Citron yellow with the black vinyl top, the RT stripes and the wing. It just looks nice. Correct rally wheels.
It's a great driver, local car show quality car. It's freaking fantastic.
Beautiful engine bay.
Nice aluminum Be Cool radiator, power steering, power disc brakes up front, 440, 6-pack, correct style manifolds. I like that.
We do Serpentine belt system.
Yeah, that's awesome.
Power steering, power brakes. They did a nice job when they did the restoration, even though it was a few years back. You can tell the firewalls all done up nice. Bottom side of the hood painted beautifully.
It's a gorgeous car. It's just not a trailer queen anymore, you know?
Correct.
It's been driven a little bit, but
still a car that'll win some car shows for sure.
Heck yeah.
But it's got, we'll point out just a couple small little chips, but
I'm excited to drive it. Brent said it drove awesome.
I think it's one of the best starting, idling 6-pack cars we've had here in a long time. Ever since we got it in, you jump in, hit the key, it fires right up. Carbs are tuned and balanced beautifully.
The nice part about this was it was a factory RT, factory 383 car, but now no one's going to complain when you add a 446 pack to it.
Exactly. It's got a little paint crack right here, or chip, right on that.
It's so hard to even see imperfections in this one just because it's so bright. You know what
exactly.
I mean? Out in the sun.
Front fender looks beautiful. Very nice. PFGs with the rally wheels. You can go ahead and shut it off, Dad, if you want.
Yeah. It runs so damn nice, you don't even need to, really.
I know.
It's quiet.
Yeah, it looks like it's got all the correct exhaust on it, too. You can check out the undercarriage pictures on our site. Real nice car underneath, too. It's got the frame rails and stuff, kind of that factory-looking overspray like they would have had back in the day. Just nicely detailed undercarriage. Nice straight rockers. Just have a small little chip right here on the edge of that door. They also upgraded this with a 5-speed manual. Still has the pistol grip. Good looking interior. The reverse lights and the reverse light on the dash works.
It's pretty awesome.
Door panels are in great shape.
They did a nice job, like I said, making this a cool resto mod.
Seats are really nice and clean. They line up nice. Carpet looks great. Back seats excellent. Headliner's nice and tight. The dome light works. We got all the factory gauges working. Black vinyl top's in excellent shape. No bubbles or issues there. Same thing with around the vinyl top, looks excellent.
Window goes up nice. If I was going to pick on it at all, you know, as far as the exterior paint is awesome. The GM paint looks nice and it all matches great. Just around the edges like you see here. Do you see what I'm saying? They could have done just a little better job. It's rust-free doors and stuff.
Yep.
Just that kind of little stuff. And that's what I'm saying. It's not a trailer queen, but what a gorgeous car.
Yeah, absolutely. Still a fantastic car. But the nice thing is you can take it to shows, win a trophy with it, but yet you're not afraid to drive it because it's not perfect.
A $1.25 car.
Exactly.
You know
it's
what I mean?
not a 6-figure car, but still definitely quality. Rear tail panel is excellent.
I love the color too. I mean, it's just a fantastic color.
Yeah, it is. And this...
Do you know the name of this one?
Citron yellow.
Okay, wow.
This here, they don't remanufacture these space savers.
Yep.
So this was OEM. They're about $3,000 to get and put in there.
You got to be kidding me.
Yeah, isn't that kind of crazy?
It is. I like what they did too here, just to make sure that has a, otherwise the flex is so much, you know what I mean? It's nice that they put the brackets under there. It's got the jack and everything, the correct jack. Same thing in the trunk. They painted it all. You know what I mean? It's just
older.
Yeah, just an older restoration, but they did a good job, made sure everything was painted. Right here, D, there's a little chip too. See it? Touched up chip. It's like that vinyl top is awesome.
Yeah, it is. You do have a little paint crack right here. Looks like maybe the jack that's mounted over here on this corner bounced and came up at some point.
We never noticed it when we bought it, though.
When I bought it, I didn't notice it.
He said you gotta be right on top of it, but
Nice and straight up and down the sides.
I also like that it's got the chromatic bumpers on it too. This sticker here's scratched just a little bit, so it shows the paint underneath of it. Looks like your bottom of our quarter and rocker panel looks awesome.
Yeah, super solid Mopar.
Yeah, it is. Great looking car. I like the stance on it too, with those BFGs and the rally wheels. It's just got a perfect stance. Back of the hood lines up good. There's your JS23, which is going to tell you it's a rally car. Let's drive it.
Check out the driver's side jam.
Factory sticker there too. It's pretty cool.
Yeah, it is. Armrest pad on this side just got a little bit of wear in the corners. Driver's seat looks excellent. Dash is really nice and clean. Sweet. Now let's drive.
I'm excited about it. I pulled it around front and
Should be fun.
drove awesome. Looks like it's got Caltrac bars and stuff in the back too.
Yeah.
Favorite part of my car is this. It's an old Alpine. I mean, this is the shit I had back in 1995. You know,
That's
the old
awesome.
Alpine that works great. Factory tack. We took all that out, got all the factory gauges working. Factory tack works. Alternator gauge works, oil pressure gauge, temp gauge, and gas gauge. Everything works. Can you get a picture of that, showing that?
Yeah. Yep. The day-night mirror, it's in great shape too.
Wipers are working good and parked correctly. Heater fan works. Come on, horn.
There we go.
There we go. That works. He's got to push right in the center of it.
And say, come on, horn.
Come on, horn. Is that what he said?
Yep, then it worked.
Come on, horn. Let's do it, horn. Dome light works too. Headliner's pretty tight in it. And back seat's got seat belts. Like I said, awesome driver. I'm excited to hit the road with it.
This thing's a
It will
screamer.
roast the tires off. We're not doing that. Won't it?
That is awesome.
Felt like that new Mustang. You can't even get traction with it.
Oh, yeah.
I mean, it just spins them. Power disc brakes works awesome. Pedals nice. This clutch transmission feels great. 5-speed is a huge plus on
Yeah,
this
that's a
thing.
nice ad.
A lot of my buddies and myself, for that matter, wants an overdrive. You know, you're going to take these classic cars for a driver. You're going to take them on a big 300, 400, 500 mile cruise. You're going to hit some interstate. You know, and you're going to
Absolutely.
want to go ahead and have that overdrive if you can. So that's a plus. It allows you to have all that power plus be able to use it.
100%.
I'm going to try to get on it one more time or what?
Yeah, yeah.
I'm just going to do a rolling though.
Yeah.
I don't want to roast the tires. I'm in love! I'm in love!
Now you know why it has those traction bars on it.
Holy shit! There's fifth gear, this thing's awesome!
It's so smooth too. At about 100 mile an hour hitting that bridge, it just was like gliding right over.
Dude, I'm sold on this one.
Fantastic.
Seriously, Brant, we got it in, we did some stuff to it, had a couple squeaks, stuff like that we took care of, did all the dash work, got everything working great. I mean, you can just sit here and listen to some badass music, drive a badass car.
Free goodie bags.
This thing is awesome. This car is a goodie bag. The radio said free goodie bags. This is it.
What's that?
It says your radio station saying they're giving out free goodie bags. This thing is
This
one.
is cool, huh?
Badass.
Here's your synchros, downshifted first. Good job. Dalton bought this one.
I bought this one.
Super
I like
nice
it.
car. I am impressed with it mechanically. I really am.
Yeah, it's awesome. Mark, I know you're watching this video. Thanks for selling it to us.
Damn nice car, buddy. So yeah, I just want to drive it, try to, here's 3,000 RPM shift. You're in second.
And that's those traction bars. when you are shifting like that, that's those traction bars, you know, stiff.
Yeah, that's exactly what I mean. I
that's
hammered
it's
that
supposed to do.
there.
Yeah.
Yep.
There's
That's
no wind hop,
awesome.
it's just smooth.
Perfect. Those are 4,000 RPM shifts at the max, and it went down the road fantastic.
Hey, we got her all warmed up before we got on her here. Sweet, sweet car. Check it out in more detail on the website, coyoteclassics.com. Somebody's going to get a hell of a nice Challenger here. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the next test drive.